Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford Explorer Platinum. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera, nice little roof spoiler with roof rails, mud flaps on the rear, and front we do have side view camera, blind spot detection, turn light indicator mirrors, and moving to the front here, we do have a license plate bracket, front park sensing, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle also comes equipped with a powered liftgate, which you can use on key fob, the button up there, or a button by the driver's side, which provides you with tons of storage space. Got storage cubbies on each side, little hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. You do get a 12-volt outlet, and you get tons of storage for the back passengers, outlets, and all that fun stuff. And lifting this up, you do get more storage right here, and you can collapse your last row from right here, which is pretty nice, and it will go down automatically, allowing you to have a fair bit more space. I'm just going to wait until it sits down, and then you can click it again, and it will come back. And to close, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and it will close automatically. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 7 pretty comfortably. We have this nice Mojave Dusk leathering that is perforated. You got plenty of door space with that leathering on the door as well. Little steps to get to the back, and to get to the back you just press that and it will go forward, and you do get plenty of leg space even with your full row back. Continue our look here in the middle row here. You do get cup holders right here if you don't need that middle person. You have your own climate controls with 2 heated seats, 2 USBs, a 110 volt, and storage just right there, and you do get floor mats. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats as well as massaging. You got the nice Mojave Dusk leathering up front with the Platinum logo, plenty of door space up front. We got power door mirrors, B&O sound system, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, liftgate, and lights all on your left hand side, and we got this nice leathering that goes across the dash and a speaker that goes across the dash as well. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 6.6 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle-free screen, voice, phone, and media, volume mute, and cruise control. And looking at our main screen here, we do have My View, Trip and Feel, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, and phone. To my right, we have our gear select, parking brake, drive modes, which do include normal, off-road, slippery, eco, sport, and tow and haul. Continue our look over here. We do have our leather-wrapped center console with tons of storage. You get storage ahead of you with outlets, and you do get a little LED light so you can see, and it does close. A new center to the dash with a wireless charging pad, a little storage cubby here, volume, auto stop, auto start, park assist, hazards, 360 view of the vehicle, and continue our look, hazards, and auto hold. Above me, we do have our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, and we do have our garage door transmitter. Looking here, we do get dual climate up front, heated and cooled front seats, heated steering wheel, all that fun stuff. Your system is powered by Google. You do get personal profiles, phone, what station you're currently on, which you do get SiriusXM, AM, Bluetooth, all that fun. Got personal notifications, and here you have your vehicle settings, ambient lightings. We got our massaging seats for the driver and passenger, hill descent, all that fun. And all your apps will be here with your Maps, Google Assist, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, YouTube, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is GB41098, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.